What's up guys? In this video I am going to tell you the use case of Gemini that is present in Chrome. There is a new feature called as skill share. You type slash and you find that skills option. Now here you can browse. What you can do is you can browse the skills that is pre-made by Google, or you can create your new skill. How you can create it? Just click on that these three hamburger menu, click on your skills option, and here let's say you are watching any YouTube video and you want to copy text in screen. Let's say no there. Let's say I am watching
this
this.
particular
There should be here, like if I type that and I just click on screen and click on submit, it gonna paste everything that is written here. Here is this code that is shown, right? So it is a very useful feature. Just click on add and give it a name. For more AI videos, just like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.